Hello, dear children. Welcome back to your science class. So, children, today we are going to start with the new topic the human eye and the colorful world. So, at the end of this lesson, the learners will be able to understand human eye, power of accommodation, defects of vision, refraction of light, dispersion of white light, atmospheric refraction, scattering of light. Introduction. The word is colorful and astonishing gift to us by the Almighty, but many people are unable to see this. This is largely related to their eyes. These are the pathway for every light to enter the human brain. The eyes are the sense organs which give us vision. Here we are going to discuss about how the eyes work and their common defects along with some amazing phenomena which happen due to refraction, dispersion and scattering of light. Over here children, you can see the structure of human eye where you can see various parts of human eye: retina, optic nerve, pupil, iris, cornea. And in the second image, you can see how the light falls and how the image is formed. The human eye is like a camera. It refracts light through a natural convex lens made of transparent living material and enable us to see things around. It consists of following: eyeball, which is approximately spherical in shape with a diameter of 2.3 centimeter. Cornea is a transparent thin membrane on the front surface of the eye through which light enters the eye. Most of the refraction for the light entering the eye occurs at the outer surface of the cornea. It is also called the aperture of the eye. Pupil regulate and control the amount of light entering the eye. Iris is a dark, circular, muscular diaphragm located behind the cornea. It controls the size of the pupil and forms the variable aperture system of the eye. The color of an eye depends on the color of the pigment in the iris. Lens forms an inverted real image of the object on the retina. The crystalline lens is held in position by ciliary muscle. Eye provides the finer adjustment of focal length required to focus objects at different distances on the retina. Retina is a delicate membrane having large number of light sensitive cells. It forms the inside surface of the rear part of the eyeball where the light entering the eye is focused. Optic nerve is the place from which the electrical signals generated on the retina are sent to the brain. The brain interprets these signals and we perceive the object as it is.